Visha Agarwal. I have secured All India rank 41 in CA Intermediate November 20 attempt. Navkar Institute. It became our second home at one point of time. Our faculties and directors all helped us a lot during this COVID-19 period. They provided us all the guidance and support needed. Our study material is what helped me in achieving more marks in practical subjects than any other. Our examination schedule and the perfect follow-up is what helped me in achieving success. So thank you so much, Navkar.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.